Hello, everyone, and welcome. Drones are becoming increasingly famous, and you probably want to learn how to fly one too. You can use drones for videography and surveys of real estate properties, construction progress, agriculture and environmental monitoring, and many more. Flying a drone can be intimidating at first, but remember, professional drone pilots were also beginners at one point. In this video, we'll help you fly with skill, confidence, and ease by introducing you to the basic parts of the drone and its operation. You'll learn how the parts work together to allow the drone to lift off and move around, as well as some things to keep in mind for a safe flight. Also, stick around until the end to see bonus tips for drone videography. We know you're excited to fly your drone, but one common mistake that beginners make is that they don't read the manual. So right after opening the box, take that manual and familiarize yourself with your drone first. We also recommend that you practice with the controls using a flight simulator, such as the DJI Flight Simulator. Download and install it on your laptop, connect your remote controller, and you're all set. Choose a drone and take off one. Switch between view modes, and just get a feel of how the controls work by cruising around while avoiding obstacles. Once you're confident flying in the simulator, it's time to put it into actual practice. Here we have the DJI Phantom 4 professional drone. You can fly this drone straight out of the box, where you'll find one drone unit, one remote controller, 4 propellers, and 1 battery. We're using a DJI Crystal Sky monitor here, but you can also use a tablet or a smartphone compatible with the DJI Flight app. Attach a propeller according to the color and direction indicated in both propeller and motor. These rotate counterclockwise, while these rotate clockwise. The rotation and power of these pairs of propellers generate an adjusted thrust needed to move the drone around. Remove the camera protector and gimbal guard. Then insert the battery. That's it! Just like that, you're done setting up. Now, we're going to get you started on the controls. Holding down the left and right sticks turns the drone on, and holding down the left stick turns it off. The left stick controls the drone's thrust and yaw. The thrust controls the ascent and descent of the drone, while the yaw moves the drone about the Z-axis. The right stick controls the drone's pitch and roll. The pitch moves the drone forward and backward, while the roll moves the drone left and right. The combination of movements of these controls allows you to make more advanced maneuvers. Now, on to your first flight. Before flying, make sure that you're not within or near major airports or any restricted areas. You're not flying near people not related to the drone operation. You check local rules and regulations for flying. A must-have app is the UAV Forecast. You can download for free from Google Play or App Store. Whenever we go to fieldwork, it's already second nature to check this app. Select your location to see if conditions are optimal and it's good to fly. You can also check the forecast for the day, wind profile, and nearby airports. DJI FlySafe also shows zones where flight may be limited. When flying, most especially in Metro Manila, always check your location first if there are altitude control zones that you need to take note of. Turn on the remote control first, and then the aircraft. Press once, then press and hold the power button. You can connect an external device to your remote control to use the DJI Go app and access several features, such as camera settings and calibration, When the remote control and aircraft are both turned on, you'll see the connection status. Press Go Fly and you'll see this window. At the top portion, this icon shows the number of satellites locked. This shows the signal between the remote control and aircraft. This shows the battery level of the aircraft. Pressing on the button here will show more settings. For your first flight, turn on the beginner mode by clicking on the main controller settings and turning on the beginner mode. This will enable a 30-meter radius and speed limit. In the visual navigation settings, turn on Enable Visual Obstacle Avoidance. In the advanced settings, turn on Enable Vision Positioning to help you land the aircraft smoothly and safely. You should now see on your screen visual indicators of nearby obstacles. Turning these options on will slow your aircraft if it detects a nearby obstacle. Go back to the main window and check the connection status here. A red bar indicates that there is an error, while a yellow bar indicates a warning, usually regarding altitude limit. If it's green, all parameters are okay and you're set to go. In your remote controller, make sure that the pin is set to P or positioning mode. This flight mode is highly recommended if you're just new to flying, since this enables the GPS, stabilizing the drone and keeping it in one position. Look around to make sure you're taking off in an area clear of nearby obstructions. Once you're ready, arm the aircraft and carefully take off by thrusting up. Hover the drone and check your control sticks if they're responsive. Let's ascend and descend slowly, and yaw clockwise and counterclockwise. Next, click the right stick up, down, left, and right. If everything is responding properly, practice flying in linear movements. Roll to the right, roll to the left, pitch forward, pitch backward. Practice going around in squares while yawing, ascending, and descending, and you'll get used to the controls in no time. That's it! You've nailed down the basic maneuvers. Once you're done, bring the drone back and slowly descend. Hold the left stick all the way down to turn the drone off. Remember to turn off the aircraft first before the remote control. This is the shortcut button for capturing photos, and this is for recording videos. You can also press the capture or record button from the screen. To save, you can either insert a micro SD card in the drone or use your tablet or mobile device's internal storage. This scroll button here adjusts the gimbal pitch for the up and down view of the camera. You'll see the gimbal pitch value on the screen right here. Before you take pictures and videos, make sure to adjust the settings such as the ISO and FPS. Nobody wants overexposed photos and jittery videos after all. Here's a quick guide for manually setting up your camera. There is also an auto mode if you want your camera to automatically adjust the exposure value even while you're flying. Here are 3 easy maneuvers that even a beginner like you can do to capture videos for your next holiday trip that will surely impress anyone. Lift off. Set the gimbal pitch to -90 degrees so that your camera is looking directly down. And then slowly ascend by pushing the left stick up. This will produce a reveal effect, perfect for highlighting a single point of interest. Zoom out. Set the gimbal pitch to -45 degrees so that your camera is slightly looking down. While pitching backward, slowly thrust up. Keep this balance between the pitch and the throttle to achieve this cinematic effect.
Pan. When capturing a wide horizon, the pan effect is useful and looks impressive to boot. While pitching forward and rolling to one direction, very slowly yaw the drone in the same direction. For example, If you're rolling to the right, you must also yaw to the right.
To learn more advanced controls and maneuvers, sign up to our training course. This covers the fundamentals of drone flight and operation, safety practices and emergency protocols, basic maintenance, rules and regulations, as well as tips to prepare you for the written and practical exam issued by CAB to get a drone controller certification. Like and follow our Facebook page to get updates about our training schedules and more information on drones and their practical applications. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, hit like and subscribe to see more content like this in the future. Let us know how your first flight goes. Tag us in social media at Dodeca Drones and use the hashtag #SeeBeyondThePossible. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.